Muhammad has a question. How do we identify high quality content for our own writing? For example, if we have writers write it, what's a good way to double check and make sure the quality is good? And how can we tell if it's high, average, or low quality?
Yeah, so this is definitely a very difficult and challenging aspect of creating content, because if there's so many different high levels, and what that means is definitely not, it's going to be subjective at the end of the day. So I think that if you're starting from fresh and you're starting from zero, what I would do is go take a look at the top brands who are, kind of in that top spot. So if it's SEO, take a look at the Ahrefs blog, take a look at the SEMrush content, and, kind of try to find those authoritative sources who are publishing content and seeing what it is. I think that quality content has so many different sub aspects within it. So it can be, is the grammar, top notch? Does it make sense for the flow and the architecture, or the reader psychology and how they move through it? Are there, UX elements included, such as like a table of contents and a TLDR summary section or FAQs? And so quality as a definition or kind of a topic has, probably 10 plus, if not more, little sub niches within that. So, if you're starting from scratch, like I said, go look at the top brands and then just create a checklist. And that's what we do at TrioSEO, is where we have it such a dialed in process now, where our content managers and all the other team members just know exactly what to look for. And, if we're missing the mark on certain aspects, we send it back to the writer, we send it to the editor, and just really kind of hone in on that piece of content until it's that piece of quality that we're looking for.
Yeah, agree with all that. A couple tools you can use, as well as Grammarly, like run the piece of content through that. It's very quickly going to show you if the person is good at writing English or not, or the language that you're writing in. You can also, like nowadays, I would also run it through an AI checker. If you're hiring a writer, there's a decent chance that they might go throw it into ChatGPT and send you over an article and see if they can get away with it. So definitely be checking for anything that is generated, because if you're hiring a writer, you obviously don't want that. And yeah, like Steven said, just make a checklist. Put something together that before any piece of content goes live, you throw it through that checklist. You make sure that it's the highest possible quality content. And if you're just not sure what high quality content is, maybe, I don't know, go talk to friends, make some friends in the SEO space, people that have been in it longer than you, and go see what they think, and give them some pieces so they could tear them apart for you and red light them.